This latest farm has been placed under quarantine. The Department of Agriculture did not say which farm it is here in Arizona, but did say biosecurity measures are in place to eliminate the virus. State officials say poultry at an unnamed Arizona farm started to show signs of illness last week. Asked for a risk to the general public, the Agriculture Department saying today, eggs produced after the onset of clinical signs of illness have not entered the food supply, and there have been no signs of illness in humans. Last week, Glenn Hickman from Hickman's Farms, the largest egg producer in the Southwest, announced it will have to completely repopulate its Arizona farms after losing 6 million hens in the outbreak in just the past couple of weeks. And that process will take 2 years.
You guys, I'm here today to tell you that we've lost about 95% of the chickens that we have in the state.
As for eggs sold before the outbreak was discovered, Hickman says there is no concern about contracting the disease through consumption.
There's never been any trace back of illness between the eggs and and people eating them. That's never happened, not on our outbreaks or any outbreak across the nation.
According to the Associated Press, infections have been reported in at least 70 people in the U.S. in the last 14 months. Most of those infections were workers on dairy and poultry farms. One person died, but most of the infected people had mild illnesses. At the end of last year, 2 people in Pinal County tested positive for bird flu, but were told their symptoms were mild and they have recovered. Hickman says the workers who are sanitizing the farms are in full biohazard gear. He says they will unfortunately have to lay off hundreds of their 850 workers, many of them inmates on work release from the state prison. Jared.
Still so shocking to hear the millions of birds we've lost in the past couple weeks. Angie Koehle live in our newsroom. Angie, thank you.